I'm Gabe Garza with today's health news. Whooping cough is on the rise in Central Texas. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is a dangerous infectious disease and is extremely contagious, yet preventable through vaccinations. So why are the numbers on the rise in Central Texas for preventable diseases such as pertussis? Recent numbers released by the CDC show that Texas ranks at the bottom for states with the fewest immunized infants. Nearly one-third of Texas children, ages 19 months to 35 months, hadn't received all their necessary immunizations, according to the CDC. This puts the state second to last in the nation in vaccination rates of young children. According to the CDC, the recommended vaccine for babies and infants is Tdap. This is actually a combination vaccine that protects against diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. Make sure and speak to your child's pediatrician for more information. For Daily RX, I'm Gabe Garza.